Hi guys, I'm Kya.
And I'm Kyakyasmr.
Welcome back to this week's restock video. We're going to restock on Thursday, December 20th at 7 p.m. PST, 10 p.m. EST on Kyakyasmr.com. First of all, happy holidays, you guys. And for this week's restock, we're going to ship all the orders out, not on Monday, but on Wednesday, December 26th, because the post office doesn't open on Christmas. And we're also gonna continue to do our $4 flat rate shipping. So if you buy one slime, it's $4 for shipping fee, or 2 or 3 or more, it's still $4. And let's get on to the video.
So this is our new fishbowl called Electric Heart. It is a dual tone fishbowl with blue and purple beads, and it has these super cute hot pink heart glitters that are iridescent. And it's so crunchy, and it's so pretty, and
and it's so good.
Oh yeah, also the beads are much more smoother than like the original Michael's beads, so it actually feels nicer. And it's a smaller bead, so it feels really nice.
Yeah, it's more
smooth. Yeah.
Yes. These beads are very limited, so grab them now before they run out. And enjoy the crunch and the bubble pops.
Yep.
This new slime we have created is called Orange Creamicle. It is a clear-based microflow mixed with snow slime that's scented just like the name. It's super crunchy, super stretchy, and the texture is so unique. It's very different than the basic clear slime microflow or their snow slime, but if you mix them together, oh man, I die. I've been playing with this one for the past 4 hours non-stop. Already killed 2 of them. Yes, this one is actually my favorite from this week's restock, so make sure to grab it and enjoy the pop for now.
And it smells like the real thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is another new cloud slime that we created. It's a 3-colored cloud slime, and the colors are
white, golden yellow, and peachy pink.
And each color are scented differently. So the white is scented
white tea,
peachy color is scented
cantaloupe,
and yellow color is scented
pineapple. And
they mix into this amazing, fruity, sweet, nice scent that I don't know how to describe, but it's very nice. And guys, I'm stuck at drizzling, but if I can drizzle, you can drizzle this thing. Look at that. I die.
Yeah. This is Cosmic Tea, and we are bringing back for this week's restock. It is scented with a citrus green tea scent, and it has a bunch of foam beads on top, so it is a half foam. And I'm supposed to put holographic glitter on the bottom here, but I forgot. But your order will come with it, so don't worry. And it has micro beads and medium-sized rainbow beads and also jumbo rainbow beads.
Yes. It's very stretchy, have a lot of bubble pops, and very soft and smooth and glossy.
I think they get it.
All that good stuff, okay?
All that.
If you miss it, you're gonna regret, because we're not bringing it back next week, okay? Is that Southern accent?
Sorry, it's late.
I'm having so much fun here. Alright, moving on. Okay, this one, no more mini kiwi cubes. Instead, we're bringing back our mini straw. This one is another one of our bestseller mini cubes, and it has different sizes, glitters, I believe, and the cubes are mini. Why are you laughing at me?
She believed, so it is.
I don't know. You want to do it? Tell the audience what this slime is all about. Or I can say, yes, I love it. The color is nice. It has a lot of bubble pops. And look at my awkward puppy. Tell them about it.
It has black glitters, also yellow, gold, fine glitter. You know, strawberry seeds are not black. They're actually yellow. But some of them are black.
No one cares.
So, like, I added both because, you know, I want to be true to the real fruit.
Great.
Because you respect the strawberry. Oh.
Okay, we're a little off tangent, but this one is our strawberry gelato creme. Hope I said that right. This is the queen of the sizzles. If you just hear it, the sizzles. Just get it, okay? It's scented with strawberry. It's super nice and soft.
Oh, and it comes with new sprinkles.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah,
Here,
pretty.
here are the sizzles. Okay, halfway done with this video. We're bringing back our Lakers. If you want to know what this slime is all about, go back to our previous restock video. It's Lakers, you know, the Santa chick. It's a duck.
And ducks live in lakes. So is Lakers.
Okay.
And so is purple and yellow foam beads and marshmallow beads and a purple violet base and
also it's Christmas, so get it.
yeah.
Oh man, here it comes. The bestseller of last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys snatched this. One person got
6 of them.
oh my gosh, like that's 36 ounces. Not even 32, 36 ounces.
Fully respect.
We're
gonna put more in stock this time for sure. This one's for frozen ice cubes. It's a wordplay of the mini cubes. It has 2 different sizes mini cubes. Not mini cubes, regular size jelly cubes. They're crushable. And they have this white snowflake glitter and also frostbite leaves. Oh, I got it right this time.
Look at the crush. Not this one.
But the other one.
Yeah.
Noise. Moving on. Bread and fish still back in stock because you guys liked it so much. Thank you very much. This is a bread slime, a butter slime, scented with freshly baked bread, and comes with a cute little fish charm and inflates a ton, and it has a Bible verse sticker in the bottom of the container, so you know, Jesus loves you. Sorry. It's 2 a.m.
What is even this voiceover?
I died, but let's continue.
We're almost there, guys.
Almost there. Oh man, Prism Hollow Fishbowl back in stock for tonight. It is 2 holographic fragment and 1 iridescent glitter.
Correct.
Whoa! Woo! So crunchy and
pretty,
beautiful and nice and all-time bestseller. Okay. Last but not least, Creamicle will be back in stock also, and we only have 14 these figurines left, so total of 14 Creamicle will be restocked. Grab them. This is your last chance. Do you have anything to add?
Should we do some real ASMR, guys?
Yes, because our mic is pretty nice, I'd say.
If you can hear this, then... Anyways.
Okay.
You guys know about Creamicle.
Yeah, we don't have to talk about it. It drizzles super nicely and smells like freshly green leaves. Freshly green leaves? Wait, what? Fresh green leaves. Oh my gosh. Okay, the restock will be today at 7 p.m. PST, 10 p.m. EST on Kyakyasmr.com. We also ship internationally, so international fans, we got you. If you watched this far, make sure to leave what? Leave something in the comments.
We should do like a phrase. Leave a phrase
in the comment
if you watched till this far.
Okay. We love you. Bye-bye.
See you soon.